Alright, hello there and welcome to episode 92 of The Daily Shed. And today I'm going to be showing you the intro melody from The Doors' Light My Fire. It's played by the organ. And it's a very cool melody. It actually fits well on the guitar. It's not easy to play, but it fits well on the guitar, and it's a great exercise for using hammer-ons because it really involves them quite a bit. So here's the basic melody, and I'll do it with a backbeat. That's basically it. Not perfectly played, but that's basically it, the very intro. And I'll play that again really slowly. It's like that. And then it goes right into the verse from there. So breaking this down a bit, I'll do it without the backbeat and just go through it bit by bit. Until you get it up to the tempo, it's not that bad, and it really fits together in a really cool way. So the first thing you want to do is form a D chord, and I form it like this, barring the 2nd fret, using my middle finger on the 3rd fret of the B string. Okay? So you first play a D chord, and actually I really just play the root and the octave and the 3rd, so just the D string, the B string, and the E string. The first note there, then it's the first bit, so it's your first hammer on the B string, and picking the 2nd fret in the E string. Okay, then you pick on the 5th fret of the E string, and then continue on. So then you want to play the A string at the same time as you play the 3rd fret of the E string, and you're picking each of these. So far it's once again. Okay. All right, and moving on. Now you form a C chord, and you really just need really just the root on the A string, and on the B string, your C there, and then the high E string. Just those 3 notes. So after the intro, again, or after the first part, and I usually fret that last note with my pinky, and I'm playing the C root, and the open E string, and then playing the C on the B string, another hammer on, the D hammering on the 3rd fret on the B string, and the open E string, again, okay. Now here's the big jump, and what might seem as the most difficult part, but the nice thing is you have an open string ringing out, so it gives you time to jump up to here. So okay, up to the 8th fret, and I play it with my pinky. So again, that open string really gives you time to hop up there. So okay, and then you're playing the F on the D string on the 3rd fret, the root there. Same time as you're playing on the 5th fret of the E string, that A. Okay? So again, that second half, and these 2 notes together. Then you're pulling off on the E string to the 3rd fret, and the 5th fret of the 3rd fret. Okay? Then plucking on the 6th string. Then what I do is I do hammer-ons and pull-offs here for the next part. So pull off, then I fret on the 6th fret of the B string, and I pull off to the 3rd fret, hammer on the 4th fret, pull off again. So okay, that whole second half again. Like that. So far we have the next part, this might be the most difficult bit. You're playing a B flat on the A string, at the same time as you're playing an E flat on the B string. So 1st fret on the A string, 4th fret on the B string, another hammer on, so plucking the 4th fret, then the 3rd fret on the B string, hammering on, then playing the first fret of the E string, and then playing the 3rd fret of the E string. And here is where I found that I use only hammer-ons here. You can pluck the first note. I tend to use only hammer-ons. So after I found that to be easiest. So I'm playing 1st fret on the D string and 1st fret on the E string, and I'm hammering on the B string on the 4th fret, and pulling off to the 3rd fret, pulling off to the 1st fret, and plucking on the 3rd fret of the G string, playing the 1st fret of the B string before we end. Okay, that whole last section is what you can also do. Okay, you can also pluck through that whole thing, or just pluck the second note. Okay, pluck. Again, that whole last section. We're picking it. Oh, again. Okay, so here's the whole thing from the beginning. Ending on E major, a surprising chord of an E major, but it works. All right, I'm going to play through that. Again, if you want to add the backbeat just on 2 and 4, it goes like this. Ending on the E like that. So it's a great melody, not easy to play, as you can tell. I need to practice it myself. But it's a really nice exercise for developing those hammer-ons and just keeping it smooth throughout, incorporating bass notes and melody notes at the same time with what is a pretty quick melody. So hope you have fun with this. Enjoy it, and as always, please let me know any questions you might have. Thanks for watching.